What if I told you that you could earn up to $240 an hour just by using Google? And no, I'm not talking about spending hours and hours in front of your screen. I'm talking about one of the easiest and laziest side hustles you can start today from anywhere in the world. Sound crazy? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how this works and how you can start making serious money online. Welcome to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I post videos every week showing you how to make money online in the easiest ways possible. Today's topic, how to turn Google into your personal money-making machine, earning you up to $240 an hour with minimal effort. No, this isn't clickbait. This method is completely legit and you won't need any technical skills to start. So let's jump right into it. So why Google? Well, Google is the largest search engine in the world, processing over 8.5 billion searches per day. That's billions of people actively searching for answers, products, services, and solutions. What if you could get paid every time someone made a purchase after searching on Google? That's exactly what we're going to do using a method called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your special link, you get a commission. You don't need to create your own product, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. Just promote the product and get paid when people buy. Today, I'll show you how you can use Google and its free tools to find products, promote them, and earn big commissions without any upfront investment. Step 1. Setting up affiliate program. The first step in this method is to sign up for an affiliate program. You're essentially becoming a middleman between companies and customers. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, but not all of them are equal. Some pay low commissions while others can bring in serious cash depending on the industry. One of the most lucrative niches is the travel industry, where commissions can be incredibly high. I recommend checking out travelpayouts.com. It's a platform that partners with big names like Booking.com, Trip.com, and many more. Sign up, create your account, and you'll be able to promote flights, hotels, and other travel deals through your unique affiliate link. Once you've set up your account, you can select the travel deals you want to promote, and you'll get your custom affiliate link. Anytime someone books through that link, you earn a commission. It's that simple, and you can find similar opportunities in other niches too. Step 2. Leveraging Google Alerts. Here's where the real Google magic starts. Google Alerts is one of the most underrated free tools out there. It allows you to set up alerts for any keyword related to your niche. For example, if you're promoting travel deals, you can create alerts for keywords like cheap flights, best travel deals, or holiday discounts. Whenever new content related to your chosen keywords is published, Google will send you an email. You can then take that information and use it to create content that includes your affiliate links or join relevant conversations online where your link might be useful. Google Alerts keeps you one step ahead, and it's all automated. Step 3. Creating Google Forms for email collection. Next up, we're going to talk about one of the easiest ways to build a passive income stream using Google Forms. Google Forms lets you create custom forms for free, and we're going to use it to collect emails and build a list of potential customers who are interested in your niche. Let's say you're promoting travel offers. You could create a simple form offering a free travel guide or exclusive discount codes for flights and hotels. People love free stuff. When they fill out the form with their email, you send them the guide along with your affiliate links. Every time someone uses your link to make a purchase, you get paid. Now, why is email marketing so powerful in this process? Simply put, it allows you to engage with potential customers over time. Unlike other methods where you might only get a single interaction with a visitor, building an email list means you can market to the same person multiple times. You can send them different offers, travel tips, or new deals weekly. The key is consistency and value. Make sure your emails aren't just promotional. Provide useful content like travel guides or budget tips. That way, your audience stays engaged and trusts your recommendations, which ultimately increases the likelihood they'll use your affiliate links. In fact, studies show that email marketing can have an ROI of $42 for every $1 spent, making it one of the most effective ways to turn leads into sales. Once your form is live, you can promote it on social media, in blog posts, or through YouTube videos. This method not only gets you commissions from affiliate sales, but also builds an email list that you can continue to promote offers to. Passive income on autopilot. Step 4. Now let's talk about the importance of choosing the right niche. Some niches pay much higher than others. For example, promoting travel deals has high potential, but software and AI tools are absolute gold mines. Why? Because many software companies work on a subscription model, meaning customers pay monthly for as long as they use the service. When you promote a software product through affiliate marketing, you can earn recurring commissions every single month. This is why software niches tend to have some of the highest CPMs or cost per thousand impressions. which means advertisers are willing to pay more to reach these audiences. Project management tools, AI software, and other tech solutions are great choices because people don't tend to switch once they've committed to using a particular tool. They'll keep paying and you'll keep earning. But how do you identify if a niche is truly profitable? Simple. Head to Google Trends and start typing in keywords related to your niche ideas. You'll get instant insights on whether that niche is growing, stable, or declining. Stable or growing niches are ideal because they guarantee long-term opportunities. Moreover, check platforms like Reddit or Quora for active discussions. A niche with a passionate audience is one that can convert into sales easily, especially if your affiliate offer solves a common problem or pain point in that niche. Always do a bit of research to validate your choice before diving in, as this can save you time and energy later on. Step 5. Tapping into free traffic sources, YouTube, Pinterest, and Medium. So now you have your affiliate links and you're ready to promote them, but how do you get people to click those links? Don't worry, you don't need to spend money on ads. There are 3 powerful free traffic sources you can tap into right away: YouTube, Pinterest, and Medium. Let's start with YouTube. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. You can create faceless videos that generate views and promote your affiliate links in the description. For example, you can make videos about top 5 travel hacks or best project management software for small businesses. Add your affiliate link in the description box, and as people watch, click, and purchase, you earn commissions. Next, there's Pinterest. People are constantly searching for inspiration on Pinterest, whether it's travel ideas, home office setups, or software reviews. Create eye-catching pins that link back to your affiliate offers or content. It's a visual search engine and it can drive tons of traffic to your affiliate links. And finally, we have Medium. Medium is an amazing platform for writing blog posts that can rank on Google and bring in organic traffic. Write about topics related to your niche, like best software for startups or top travel tips for budget-conscious travelers. Sprinkle your affiliate links throughout the post, and when people read and click, you get paid. Once you start gaining momentum with these free traffic sources, remember to track your results. Use tools like Google Analytics to see where your clicks are coming from and which platform performs the best. This will help you double down on what works and scale your efforts. If Pinterest is sending the most traffic, for instance, you could focus on creating more pins or experimenting with promoted pins. The key to success is constant optimization and experimentation, and that's how you'll turn this side hustle into a full-blown income stream. Step 6. Automating your affiliate business. Here's the real beauty of this whole process. Once you set everything up, it becomes automated. Your Google Forms collect emails, your Google Alerts keep you updated on trends, and your content on YouTube, Pinterest, and Medium continues to bring in traffic and clicks. You're not just earning one-time payments. Every month, as long as people keep using the products you promoted, you'll see that income rolling in. And that's it, folks. You now have all the tools and knowledge to start one of the easiest and laziest Google side hustles that can earn you $240 an hour or more. Just follow these steps, take action, and watch the income start coming in. This isn't just a dream, it's a real opportunity, and it's up to you to make it happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more easy money-making tips every week. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.